Solving systems of equations by elimination is the next one that we're doing. And elimination is the title of this one. That happens when x and y are together on the same side of the equal sign, but with a different number, and there are two of them. So x plus y equals 2, and 2x minus y equals 7. Now, substitution was really long, and it would have been easier to solve for y and graph for a lot of you. Elimination isn't that long, so it's good for x and y to be on the same side of the equals, and this is really helpful for solving these when the coefficients on one variable are the same. So the coefficient on x here is a 1, y is a 1, this y is a 1. When either the x's are or the y's are the same, it makes elimination easy, especially when they're opposite signs. So right now, the first coefficient of y on the first equation is a positive 1, and the second one is a negative 1. That makes elimination easy because we can just add. So the very first thing we're going to do is add in columns. So step number 1, add in columns. Oops. And what that's going to do is it will eliminate the variable with the y's, because it has plus 1 and minus 1, and that cancels. So if we add in columns, first thing we'll add are the x's. So we have 1x plus 2x. And if you add that together, you're going to get 3x. So 3x goes here. And then we have the y's. So 1y plus negative 1y, and we're adding here in columns. 1 plus negative 1 cancels, that's the point, it eliminates this y, so it's all gone. And then we're going to bring down the equal sign. So that equals, and you add the letters. So then once you get to the letters, you add 2 plus 7, and you get 9. So really all we did there was we added down the columns, and it canceled out one of our letters. So 1 plus 2 was 3x, 2 plus 7 was 9, the y's canceled. And then to solve that the rest of the way, you divide by 3 to get x by itself, and your x value is 3. So you add in columns, and the second step we did was divide. So if the question only asked for the letter x, then you would be done. But if it needs the y, then you just plug it in. So the original equation was x plus y equals 2. So if we're going to solve this, then x is 3, we said. So you just plug that in here. And that says that 3 plus y equals 2, and then you solve for y, so we subtract 3 on both sides, and the y is negative 1. So if you're writing the answer as a point, you would write it 3, comma, negative 1. And that is the first example. There are more, and this gets a little more complicated, but it's a good start to solving elimination, and I'll show a couple more in a little bit. Or in the next video, I'll show you more.